back to another vlog. This is VlogMas number 33. I've never been more happy to say, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Because, as you know, my phone is cracked, but I can still vlog because there's not a crack on the front camera, like as I'm recording right now, and there's not a crack on the back camera, so I can still record fine. It's just a screen that's cracked. That should not bother me. It should bother my fingers, but not me. They'll still bother me. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, today should be pretty fun because I think I have to build a train downstairs for the Christmas tree. That should be really fun to do. I'm so happy I can get the vlogs back to you guys. So yeah, I feel so good. I'm actually really tired right now. Yesterday I saw Creed. It was an amazing movie, literally really good. Totally recommend watching it. I actually saw it with Snape the Creeper. But yeah, really good movie, Creed. It teaches you a lot. If you want to do something, it's not gonna come easily. You gotta work hard for it. Yeah. And I gotta work hard to get these vlogs out for you guys, like all day. Like I've literally been. I want to see what I've been doing. Here, let me show you guys what I've been doing. Just sign in my iPad. This is legit what I've been doing, okay? Look at this. This is legit. Since I thought that I was not going to be able to upload any more vlogs, I legit went through my whole iPad and found old videos that I had and was going to upload them for you guys. So here's one of them. I'm going to flip the camera. So here's one of the videos. My sister doing the cinnamon challenge. She didn't even know that I was recording her. And then another one is this video. I did a PK shootout with my neighbor in the summer. Look at the trees. And then another one was this clip that I recorded in the summer with my neighbors. So that was fun. I was going to upload that. Dude, I look so fat in that. Look at that last clip, though. Oh, I know why. Because there's a soccer ball in there. Like, dude, I look obese. Look. I was about to say, dude, I look so fat. And then there's this one, which is the cinnamon challenge. I might still upload that. I might still upload this one. Because this one's actually pretty cool. This is the cinnamon challenge with my neighbor. No, not my neighbor, my cousin. He actually pranks me in this. It's really funny. I'll probably still upload that. But yeah. I gotta go build a train downstairs, so I'll see you guys there. Peace out. Yes. Feels good to vlog again. Feels good to vlog. Feels good. That's where the elves are today. Let's get into building this train. So, when they set out to build a train, I have to build this whole thing. So I'm going to be doing a time lapse, taking this out, and building the whole entire thing. Hopefully you guys enjoy this time lapse. It's going to be a while. Okay guys, so I just finished building the whole thing. As you see, the trains are there. We didn't use all the pieces. Some pieces left over there because actually our tree is not that big. So just put it around as you see over there. And now I'm done with this. My sister's gonna put the trains on. Oh, my sister's gonna put all the trains on it. Basically the easy stuff, and put all the signs on it. So I guess I'm gonna sign out right now. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more vlogs, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace out.